everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is whole chicken humba, cooked in Sprite of 7-Up. Guys, my chicken humba is a Visayan recipe and is a sweet version of chicken adobo. Here are the ingredients for my humba recipe today. Traditionally, pork humba is a favorite humba recipe in the Philippines. Today, I'm cooking young chickens for my chicken humba. So let's have a look of all the ingredients. Chicken, garlic, soy sauce, onion, brown sugar, bay leaves, ground black pepper, and 7-Up. Now let's start cooking. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. In a cold pan, just add all the ingredients. Chicken, garlic, onion, sugar, bay leaves, soy sauce, and ground black pepper, and 7-Up. Mix it all up. Cover and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After 30 minutes, flip the chicken over. Wow. And then base it top. This is very easy dish to cook. Just put everything in one pot and let the ingredients work their magic. Cover and simmer for another 15 minutes. After the final 15 minutes, it is now ready to serve and enjoy. Just drizzle the juice on top of the chicken and serve with rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoy my chicken humba recipe today. And if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.